ready.
Let you count it for me, baby, cause you hold me down. And when you with me, it's a feeling, all you do is smile. It ain't no chick up in this world that could replace you now. That's why I spin it on you now, because you hold me down. I grab the chopper and the clips, I got you loaded now. I spin the block, I got you hanging out the window now. See, that's my baby, that's my shawty, my little rider now.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Life of J and D. For today's video, we decided to try our followers' favorite Starbucks drinks. We went out to social media and asked you guys what your favorite drinks were, and yeah, I'm gonna read the responses that I got.
We got quite a few, and I really appreciate it.
So, of course, we're only gonna do the ones that we haven't tried yet. Let's see. So, my sister actually recommended a jade citrus tea with honey and steamed lemonade.
Wait, which sister?
My older sister, Destiny.
Thanks, Destiny.
Chavo_134, aka Joel's brother, recommended a vanilla bean frap with 3 pumps of cinnamon dolce.
Dolce.
I think that's how you say it, dolce.
I think it's Dolce.
Dolce.
Like Dolce and Gabbana?
Yeah, dolce.
Oh, I just said it.
JC_Sands recommended a caramel ribbon crunch. Hey Jesse recommended very berry hibiscus. I think that one's a tea, right?
Yeah, I think that one's a tea. I actually don't know if they have that one. But we'll see when we make it.
So Ben Spag recommended a normal Americana.
I don't think we're getting that one.
You don't want an Americana?
No, I've had it.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, we said we're not gonna do the ones that we've already had.
Okay, never mind. Vivian Acosta, she actually recommended a lot, so thanks for your recommendations. We've tried most of them, but we're gonna try the iced white tea guava lemonade. Veronica recommended a nitro cold brew with cascara. I don't know how you say that. Cascara. Autumn Tipton Navarro recommended an iced peach green tea lemonade. And then we have Abuelitos recommended a salted cream cold foam cold brew with a drizzle of caramel, which I thought that one sounded amazing. Diegs recommended an iced caramel macchiato with extra caramel drizzle.
Where am I going?
We're going to Starbucks, babe.
Sorry. I got like lost in the sauce.
Well, my favorite drinks currently are either an iced caramel macchiato. The dragon drink is your favorite.
That can't be your favorite. I already planned it.
Yeah, so dragon drink is his favorite. Not the refresher, but the one with the coconut milk. And then a pink drink.
Wait, isn't that almond milk?
No, it's coconut.
Really? I don't like coconut.
Oh my gosh.
It's not coconut. If it's coconut, then I'm gonna stop drinking it because I don't like
Oh
coconut.
my god. Anyway, so for the longest time, my favorite drink was a vanilla bean frap with raspberry sauce. If you guys haven't tried it yet, you gotta try it. Everybody I showed that drink to, they loved it. And then now I usually get either an iced caramel macchiato with almond milk, pink drink, or dragon drink. So those are our recommendations to you guys if you guys haven't tried any of those. Anything else you gotta say?
No, we'll see you there. We're actually gonna have it's gonna be 9 different drinks.
9 different drinks?
Yes.
Yeah, absolutely. What was it?
And they're all gonna be tall.
So they're all tall size?
Yes.
Okay.
The first one's gonna be a salted cream cold foam, a cold brew with a drizzle of caramel.
Okay, give me 1 second. Anything else?
And an iced peach tea,
Peach green tea
peach
lemonade.
green tea
And
lemonade.
the guava and the peach are not available at this time.
Okay, never mind with that one.
Oh, sorry about that, sir.
That's fine. And then I'll have a nitro cold brew with cascara.
Anything else?
And a tall very berry hibiscus.
You got it?
And then another tall caramel ribbon crunch.
Caramel River share?
Then vanilla bean frap with 3 pumps of cinnamon dolce.
Got it?
A jade citrus tea with honey and
Steamed lemonade.
steamed lemonade.
So,
That'll be it.
Okay guys, so we're back and we got our drinks. So we only ended up with 6 total because they were out of the peach tea and the guava tea. So we ended up getting the jade citrus tea with honey and steamed lemonade, which was a mess because they messed up on it.
So it's probably not gonna taste.
Yeah, not as good as it usually should. And then we have, what is this one? The cold brew with cascara.
Yeah.
And then we have cold brew with salted cream and caramel drizzle.
That one kind of sounds good, but I don't like caramel.
Just sad, a lot of these have caramel.
I know. Well, let's see.
I guess that's why I'm so excited.
Maybe it'll change.
This one's vanilla bean with cinnamon dolce. And then the caramel crunch wrap and the berry hibiscus.
If you guys notice, we have our metal straws because you gotta save the planet. That's why.
So if we can find the link for the metal straws, we'll link it down below.
They were only like $4, I think.
that's what
Even
I was gonna
like
say.
including shipping, or it's like free shipping. But it might have been a deal. But these things are actually really cool. It actually comes with a little what's it called? Like a brush to brush inside the
clean
straw.
them
Yeah,
out.
to clean inside the straws, and it actually comes with 4 of them.
Okay, so let's taste test.
Okay.
Where do you want to start with?
We'll start with the
Yeah. that's what I
basic
was
ones
thinking.
first. This one's a berry hibiscus. That tastes like water. Sorry.
Yeah, not my cup of tea. Maybe if it had lemonade.
It's not tea.
I know.
And I'm just trying. I dropped it all over the place, shaking it and stuff.
Maybe if it had lemonade, I just don't like it. Doesn't
It's
really
like too
have
plain.
flavor, yeah.
Next one. This one's caramel crunch wrap. This is the one Sanders always brings in the morning. Yeah, she always brings this in the morning unless she goes to QC, which we need to go try that place.
Oh, I've heard of that.
Everyone tells me it's good. We'll see. That is freaking
Like
good.
it? Dang, you don't like caramel.
That's good. That's good, huh? How many sips are you gonna take?
That is good, super sweet.
Oh my god, this is good.
You guys, this is coming from someone who doesn't like caramel, so
Yeah, like,
that says a lot.
and it says, I don't know if you guys can see it. It says, no, you guys are not gonna see it. It says caramel crunch wrap, so don't think I'm lying. But it's freaking good.
Caramel crunch wrap?
Yeah! Caramel crunch wrap.
Wrap.
I said wrap like it's food.
Okay,
Oh my
next. The vanilla bean with cinnamon dolce.
This is my brother's, right? I can't trust him. Nah, I don't like that. It tastes like Bailey's.
Ooh. It just tastes weird. It tastes different.
Yeah, it tastes nasty.
It tastes good. No, it doesn't taste bad. But it's not the best.
Nah, I'm good. Next one. This one's the cold brew with salted caramel
Cream.
cream. CF. Ready? Oh. It just tastes like a cold, dark coffee. I'm not a coffee person, guys. What I am But only if like I make it. But like different types of coffee. Huh? It tastes like a dark, like a regular like coffee, like a black coffee, like cold.
Yeah. Maybe they just need to add more caramel. I don't taste the caramel.
Yeah, it just like tastes like.
Yeah, it's too like dark. Is that the right word?
Yeah. Sorry guys, we're not liking your style. This one might be the same thing, huh? It's another cold brew.
Yeah.
With what?
Cascara?
Cascara. What the hell
I
is
don't even know what
cascara?
that is.
Cascara. What is that? Hey Siri, what is cascara? Well, let's try it out. Ugh. That's even worse.
Well, now I'm scared.
That's like, so this is like dark coffee, like black coffee that's cold. This is like black coffee this is like military coffee right here. This is the black coffee that looks like tar and that they serve while we're out in the field. And I just can't explain it to you. You had to be in the military, I guess. Go ahead. Don't tell me you like that one. Because if you like that one, that's like...
I don't like it, but I think you're... I think you...
No, it's disgusting. So like when we're out in the field in the military, when we're out in training...
These taste very similar, but this one is just a little bit sweeter, in my opinion.
A lot of bit sweeter. No, so like when we're out in the field, they bring like these huge, like... I don't know what they call it. It's like where they pour the coffee, so you pour in the stout, whatever. And sometimes they don't take them back the next day, and they get cold. And people forget that they've been sitting there for days, and you drink it, and you like pour it, and you drink it. That's pretty much what it tastes like. So who did this one?
Actually, two people recommended that one. My cousin Beryl and Jesse.
Yeah, sorry. I like it.
Last one is the Jade Citrus Tea with Honey.
I was actually excited for that one.
Really?
Yeah. Can we?
Oh, you're gonna sip it?
What the heck? There's tea bags in there?
So personally, I strongly dislike hot stuff.
Except me. What? I'm hot, right?
Okay, I don't like.
You don't even have to explain. I already know. Well,
Yeah, but no, you guys can ask him every time we get something that's hot, even like food. I have him eat it, and if he says it's hot, I don't eat it.
yeah, because nothing really burns my mouth. I guess like I have a tolerance, but it smells good.
It does.
I think I would just use it for like the aroma therapy. It's good, but I think I would only drink it when I'm sick. It tastes like a type of like.
That's actually what she commented. That she was like, it's good, especially when you're sick or something like that.
Yeah, see, it tastes good, but I don't want it like.
But it's really that
I
hot.
wouldn't. Yeah. So I might have to like just put this drink in there.
What the heck?
It's good. Is it hot? It's good for like when you're sick.
The flavor seems so familiar. If you
It's
haven't
like
remember
this
what it
teas that you've been drinking. She just got over a sickness.
is. The Theraflu?
Theraflu.
Yeah, you guys, if you're ever sick, Theraflu makes teas and they work amazingly, especially the nighttime ones.
You know what you could do? Is there a flavorless Theraflu? Or have like
But I know that Theraflus are honey and lemon mostly.
Then you could put that in here. It's Especially for like the nighttime tea. That would be cool.
So the tea was a yes, right?
Tea was a yes, but only if I'm sick.
Okay. So overall, these 4 were good. I guess we are just not cold brew people. Caramel Crunch definitely takes the win for us, though.
If you guys haven't tried it, you can thank Sanders. She picked an outstanding drink. Because this thing is freaking delicious.
Thank you all for your recommendations. If you guys haven't tried the Caramel Crunch wrap, make sure you guys go try it.
Like now.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you get notified every time we post. If you made it to the end of this video, leave either a coffee or a tea emoji. And we'll see you guys next time.